I'm going to show you how to make easy kimchi for beginners. And this recipe is really great because it doesn't need any fermentation, but still has a delicious flavour. So to start off, you're going to need a whole Wombok cabbage, remove the core, and roughly chop into pieces about 3 to 4 centimetres. Pop the cabbage into a big bowl, mine actually took up 2, and sprinkle very generously with salt as well as some water, and mix that all together so the salt dissolves and covers all of those cabbage pieces. Now we're going to let that soak for about an hour while we do all the rest of the prepping here. Moving on to the carrot, now you need to julienne this up as fine as you can. You also chop up 4 spring onions to the same length as that carrot and mince up 10 fresh garlic cloves as well. Now we get to the messy part, making the kimchi paste. So you need to measure out 3/4 of a cup of gochugaru chili flakes, 3/4 of a cup of hot water, an applesauce jar or packet, along with 6 tablespoons of fish sauce, 3 tablespoons of sugar, and all of those vegetables that we just prepped. Pop on some gloves and give everything a really good mix. You'll get a nice thick consistency just like this. Back to checking on the cabbage now, and it's wilted quite a bit. So we need to wash it and drain it 3 times, squeezing out as much water as you can on that last time. Now comes the fun part where you add the kimchi paste to the cabbage and give it a nice massage just to make sure every bit of cabbage is covered. Then you can transfer the kimchi into glass jars or preserving jars, but I got this special kimchi container for my birthday, so I'm going to use that. Okay, lid on, leave it out on the counter for a few hours to marinate, then you can pop it in the fridge and eat it straight away.